Hello guys, we're making this video to show how we use this rivet setter. Yeah, so this is one of the core knife wallets, and we don't need any cloth or anything in between the rivet and the machine or this tool. We just place the rivet. The rivet has to sit in this part of the rivet setter. I mean, it is kind of rounded, so the rivet it is also rounded in this side, so it should sit here. Like, you make sure it doesn't move, it is steady enough, and then from there you just pull the handle, I guess, and yeah, and it should yeah, help the rivet close. So for example, this one is a little more loose. We're gonna settle it. Vamos a poner este. Aquí está. So we just push from the handle, and yeah, oops. It should help to get the rivet closed. Can you show me what you guys are doing? Thank you.